Good day, everyone. I am Dan Jasper Delvo from BSIT 41, and today I will be presenting my final internship presentation. I completed my practicum at Chance IT Business Solutions Inc. under the IT department with Mr. Yuri Stigman as my training supervisor. My internship started on February 9, 2026, and by the final report, I had completed a total of 504 hours. For my internship, I was assigned to Chance IT Business Solutions Incorporated. The company provides IT-related business solutions, and during my practicum, I was placed under the IT department. In this department, I was exposed to real software development tasks, including programming, deployment, system testing, API development, debugging, and research. Most of my work involved web development using technologies such as Laravel, Vue, Inertia, TypeScript, Redis, Docker, APIs, and search-related tools like Medisearch and VectorDB. So the main objective of my internship was to apply the knowledge and skills I gained from school in a real workplace environment, specifically aim to improve my technical skills in programming and system development, gain experience in working with real projects, understand actual industry workflows, and develop professional values such as discipline, communication, accountability, and teamwork. Through this internship, I was also able to contribute to the assigned department by completing development tasks, testing features, improving existing systems, and supporting project requirements. I was assigned to the IT department of Chance IT Business Solutions. My training supervisor was Mr. Yuri. The main function of the department was to develop, maintain, and improve software system and web applications. As an intern, my role was to assist in software development tasks, include, including studying existing code base, create and modify features, test APIs, fix bugs, and coordinate with other developers when needed. So during my internship, my main duties and responsibilities included developing web application features, studying and modifying existing code bases, creating database migrations, implementing API endpoints, debugging deployment issues, and improving system performance. I also work on front-end and back-end tasks, including checkout flows, card services, Redis configuration, scraping tools, import and export functions, training-related modules, search features, payment integration, SSL features, and product and or store-related API improvements. So major tasks and projects accomplished. Some major tasks and projects I accomplished during my internship includes the development of an e-commerce site for PC parts using Laravel, Vue, Inertia, and TypeScript. Uh, Another major task was the development of a scraper or crawler project. I created migration, studied HTML structures for data extraction, added jobs for description and images, calibrated chunk sizes, and created Excel and JSON exports. I also worked on AI searching and vector DBs, so I utilize AI technology using vector DBs for accurate and semantic searching. Later in the internship, I contributed to API development, mainly search integration, product syncing, autocomplete features, store and product search, Molly payment integration, SSO logic, OTP authentication, translation handling, caching, and performance improvements. So, throughout my internship, I applied several technical and professional skills For technical skills, I use programming, back-end development, front-end development, database management, API development, system testing, debugging, deployment, and research. I also applied knowledge in Laravel, Vue, TypeScript, Redis, Docker, mini search, and API integrations. For professional skills, I applied communication, teamwork, time management, problem solving, documentation, and adaptability. I often had to communicate with supervisors and front-end developers to clarify requirements, resolve missing data, and improve API responses. During the internship, I gained a deeper understanding of how real software projects are developed and maintained in a professional environment. I learned how to study existing systems, understand code structure, follow the project requirements, create clean and maintainable code, and test features before implementation. I also improved my knowledge of deployment, containerization, Redis, cron search tools, API design, caching, payment systems, SSO, and localization. As I, aside from technical growth, I also developed better discipline, confidence, and professionalism, and most importantly, communication skills. So, challenges encountered. One of the challenges I encountered was adjusting to new tools, frameworks, and existing code bases. At first, I needed time to understand the system flows, project structure, and coding standard. I addressed this by studying the code base, asking questions when needed, and carefully testing my changes. Another challenge was deployment. I encountered issues with Redis and workers while deploying an application, but I resolved them by using Upstash as Redis server and cron jobs instead of workers. I also experienced challenges in API development, especially when front-end requirements change or when missing data needed to be added. I handled this by communicating with front-end developer and adjusting API payloads. Best practices. The internship helped me develop important work values such as punctuality, accountability, initiative, adaptability, and professionalism. I learned that in software development, it is important to understand the task clearly, test thoroughly, write maintainable code, communicate with the team, and be responsible for output you submit. I also learned the importance of continuous learning because real projects often require learning new technologies, frameworks, methods while working on actual tasks. So, recommendation for future interns, I recommend studying the basics of web development, database management, Git, APIs, and deployment before starting the internship. It's also helpful be familiar with Laravel Vue, TypeScript, and basic server concepts. Future interns should also practice workplace communication because asking the right questions and giving updates are important in completing tasks properly. For the school and company, I recommend continuing internship partnerships that expose students to real industry projects. Tasks that are aligned with the students' field are very helpful because they allow interns to apply what they learn and gain actual work experience. To conclude, my internship at Chance IT Business Solutions was a valuable learning experience. It allowed me to apply my academic knowledge in a real workplace and improve both my technical and professional skills. Through the task I completed, I gained experience in software development, API creation, deployment, debugging, system improvement, and collaboration with developers. More importantly, I learned the importance of professionalism, responsibility communication, and continuous learning. This internship helped me become more confident and prepared for future work in the IT industry. Thank you, and that ends my presentation.